For this hands-on exercise, I want you to create and use an anonymous struct. So create and use an anonymous struct. You could store whatever data types you want as fields, and if you want to challenge yourself, try storing one field of the data type map, try storing another field of the data type slice, and then use that data, print it out. So go ahead and pause the video, do that, and when you finish, come back and unpause it, and I'll show you my solution, which I'm going to do right now. So here's my solution. I'm going to go to the Golang playground and just refresh this code. And so now I'm going to create an anonymous struct. So I'll just say s : equal, and it's going to be struct, and then curly braces, and that's my type. It's a struct, anonymous struct, and this is where I put my values. Okay, so I need to now populate my fields, and so my fields will be, we'll do first, can't get away from the first name, and then we'll do friends, and that'll be a map with a string and a number, which will be an int. That'll be their phone number. And then we will also do, I don't know, fave drinks. And that will be a slice of string. And now we need to populate those values. So first will be James. And friends will be a map, string, int, populate the values. And so friends would be like Moneypenny. And her number would be 555, or whatever the number is. And the next one would be Q, and his number would be 777. We'll stay away from 666 because some people think that's the devil's number. And then we have M, and she'll be 888. Those are their wonky phone numbers. And then we put a comma there, and we also have fave drinks. And that is going to be a slice of string. Composite literal, and now put in the values. Martini. Water. And now I'm going to print all that out. So we'll come down here and do an S and format it. New line on 23, position 4, comma. Format run. There we go. So now we have all that, and we could print out some of those fields. So we could say s dot first, and we could do s dot friends, and we could do s dot fave drinks. And then if we wanted to range over some of that stuff, we could do for key comma value : equals range s dot friends, and format at print line k comma v, and we could also do for index val : equal range s dot fave drinks, and format dot print line index val, and format it and run it. And here we're ranging over, here's James, and then the map, and then fave drinks, and then here we range over the map, and then here we're ranging over the drinks. That's kind of cool. There's my solution for hands-on exercise number. What hands-on exercise is this? This is hands-on exercise number 4. Hands-on exercise number 4.